Magka-abs this year, kasi ilang years ko nang sinasabi, hindi naman nangyayari. Magka-abs, magkaroon ng sariling building, magkaroon ng, for business magkaroon ng sports car, acting awards, tsaka happiness.
Gusto kong mag-successful yung project na ginagawa namin ni Ate Jolens. It's parang with regards to events. And then, yun nga, I wanna go back to writing again. Siguro yung mga, sana, hopefully in the near future, magawa ko yung mga, kahit few lang of the roles na gusto kong magawa. I want to finish school, syempre. Siguro a year na lang yun, but anyway. Tapos, ano pa ba? Gusto kong magkaroon ng regular vacation out of the country.
Heavy drama. Ang tagal ko nang hindi gumawa ng heavy drama. Usually light, from time to time meron. Unlike before na parang nung nag-drama ako, parang kada uwi ako ng bahay, pag uwi mo, matutulog ka na, pag-agising mo, taping ka na ulit. Ganun siya kabigat. Yun ulit, heavy drama. Kasi parang kailangan ko na ulit siyang gawin. Parang tagal lang hindi. But hopefully may parang...
Goals ko, yung bahay na pinapatayo ko. Sana, mapatayo ko na siya as soon as possible. Magkaroon siguro ng, hindi ko pa sure magkaroon siguro ng sarili kong business. Dahil alam naman natin lahat na pag-artista, hindi permanent. Artists come and go. Tapos, syempre, may mga mas batang dadating. May mas batang dadating every year, every time. So, you have to think properly and invest on whatever you can invest on. Magkaroon na goals. Another goal is syempre magkaroon ng sariling family na masaya and magkaroon ng sariling family tapos masaya tsaka hindi pwedeng sabihin walang problema kasi nagkakaroon ng problema lagi. So, yun. Pero, tagal ba yun? In the near future pa siguro.
My New Year's resolution is to be the fittest Gwen ever. Yes, on Feb, I'm gonna be fit, or that's gonna be the start of my fitness era. Okay, I'm going to be fit, and then I'm gonna stop the going out, and then maybe the drinking and the whatever else, so that I can cleanse my system.
Maybe for the country, we can change and help each other more. You know, if there's like disasters, I hope in an instant everything will be okay, and then help will be there on time. You know, that's the most important thing because, you know, I want to think about other people first before myself.
Siyempre kasi maging mas successful sa sunod na taon, tsaka makatapos ng school sana, tapos maging hindi tamad.
I'm just hoping to find more of my father's movies, the ones that are missing, so para ma-complete yung filmography niya.
Anything na bigyan nila, but wish ko maraming action.